Shape the Strongest Wall Challenge.
Oh no! My circles kept rolling away and fell down!
My triangles did better, but they still slid and fell.
Oops! Not all shapes can build a strong wall. To build a strong, steady wall, you need my shape, a square. Watch this. Squares are super stable.
Oh,
wow.
Let's test it. Oops,
Oh,
pushed
no, it
too
fell.
hard.
Sorry,
Susu.
It's okay. Stacking them straight isn't enough. We need to interlock them in a crisscross pattern to make it stronger. You can try now, Titi.
Okay, let me try pushing a little harder this time. Wow, it doesn't fall down at all.
It's the magic of interlocking power.
Magic of interlocking power?
Yes, yes.
If that works, we can use wide rectangles too. They'll interlock even better.
Yeah, that's how real houses are built.
Cool, let's do it now.
Done!
It looks great and feels so strong.
Let's try to push it!
Sure, testing it is a must. Let me push first.
My turn!
Wow,
it won't fall!
Yay, that's an interlocking power wall. Huh?
Where
Where did
did
Roro
Roro go?
Let's find out. Whoa, Roro, what are you building with?
Hey, those aren't squares or rectangles.
I tried building a wall with hexagons.
Wait, you didn't crisscross them. Why isn't it falling down?
Hexagons have 6 sides. When you stack them, they interlock automatically.
Wow, it's completely solid. It's like a giant honeycomb.
So squares and rectangles need to crisscross to interlock, but hexagons have automatic interlocking power.
Exactly. Nature uses hexagons all the time because they're super strong and save space.
Challenge complete.
We built the strongest wall!
Yay!
Yay!